Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dohm Speed Shop. On this episode, I'll give you a quick unboxing of the 42-inch US General roller cabinet in green. Let's check it out. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Dohm Speed Shop. On this episode, we're going to unbox this 42-inch US General bomb rolling cabinet. Let's check it out. Alright, so now that we got the box off the truck, help from my neighbor, gonna go ahead and pop these I don't know what you call them, wipe things. The things that hold down the thing. Pop those off. Go ahead and slide the whole box off. I'm gonna get rid of the wood anyways. Alright, so gonna go ahead and cut some of the tape here. All the foamage. And just to make life easier, I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this. Okay, let's just peel off this wrapper. But boom. Oh, it's wrapped up greatness. Cut out the plastic. Look at that noise. All right, let's in the satchel here comes your keys. Now you kind of be nice about that. Unlock it. Voila. Unlocked and ready for chaos. Go ahead and cut the ribbon here. Rope, whatever you want to call it. Okay, so I forget the keys are up here. Just let me know. All the drawers come pre-assembled and all that stuff. And then right here comes a sweet skateboarding ramp. Why the ramp? Because this guy comes with the wheels on it already. So, put the ramp down here. We're gonna try to slide it off. So directions on how to do this are actually on the side of that giant wrapper I just cut off here. And they say put the handle on first, which would be intelligent, but let's see if I'm not smart. Actually, nope. There's the handle. I'm impatient today. Pick it up and roll it off. That's why they say put the handle on. It's okay, I only dropped it a couple inches. Alright, so now we're up to this point. Like the Fred Durst song says, just keep rolling. There's instructions on how to do this the right way, but this is how I'm doing it today. Hardest way possible. Alright, so now we got that open. Alright, so that wasn't overly difficult. Only as difficult as you make it sometimes, and yeah, just salt the palate. Now, since we already have it outside and sprayed, and I can see, we're gonna open up the handle here, throw the handle on real quick. So maneuvering this through the garage is less taxing than getting off the pallet. We'll see how well that works. The handle, put your bolts. Got extra bolts. Why do we have extra bolts? Sure, we'll figure that out in a few minutes. For now, let's put the handle on. Got your hex keys. Ooh, silicone packet. Throw that in my drawer later. Let's go get a hex key for this. Actually, misspoke here. I need a long 5 to install this. One. Two. Because all my cordless ratchets are tied up at the moment, I'm gonna break out the old spinner handle. Really just as an excuse to use it, but nice change of pace. All right, that's got all the Torx. Handles assembled. One of the really nice things about this is all your drawer liners are already pre-installed. So yeah, now I just play Toolbox Jenga and put all the old stuff in the new box, and you know what I'm talking about. Time lapse. Alright, so if you're wondering why I upgraded to this or the DeWalt box, pure size. Now, the new US General box I picked up 42 inches wide by 22 deep. The old DeWalt 18 deep by 41. Now, it doesn't sound like a crazy big difference there, but just sitting in the garage, it's already much deeper comparatively side to side. They sit about the same height. You know, US General's green, and to be honest, that's half the reason. Make all your boxes match, you know? I mean, if you need to justify it. So now I play the game of putting all of those tools in this box and making it all play nice. See you in 3 years. Well, hey guys, this has been my unboxing of the 42-inch US General bottom rolling cabinet. If you guys have thought this was helpful at all, entertaining, gave you an idea of what you're in for if you purchase one of these, give me a like down below. Drop a comment if you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time here from the Dohm Speed Shop.